The information presented in this channel is compiled with the assistance of AI, public sources, and independent analysis. While every effort is made to ensure accuracy, information may contain omissions, inaccuracies, or interpretations. Content is provided solely for educational, case study, commentary, and entertainment purposes and should not be considered financial, investment, legal, or professional advice. Take a quick second to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss an operational breakdown. How will conversational AI completely change Google's free search model? Why does Google give away its elite consumer tools for $0? What happens to Google's multi-billion-dollar ad network if consumer usage drops? How can Google bypass strict privacy laws while still delivering targeted ads? Why is Android secretly Google's biggest weapon to lock in billions of users? How will Google win the high-stakes race for the AI-native developer segment? Can Google scale its enterprise cloud business without losing its legacy consumer culture? How does Google protect top brands from having ads placed next to harmful content? What corporate features do enterprise clients demand that everyday users ignore? How can Google use AI search summaries without destroying creator click-through rates? How will Google Ads transform local small businesses using automated tools and maps? How does Google predict exactly which corporate clients are about to cancel subscriptions? Why are YouTube creator payouts and ad revenue splits so critical to Google's survival? How does Google use machine learning to replicate an advertiser's best customers? What specialized frameworks must Google build to win over highly regulated banks and hospitals? 1. Customer segments. Google runs on a classic multi-sided business model. It creates value by linking distinct, yet interdependent, groups of users together. 8 cases, real-world segments within Google. Case 1, everyday search users, mass market the billions of individuals seeking answers, navigation, videos, and daily tools. They pay zero monetary cost but trade their attention and behavioral data. Case 2, self-service advertisers, SMBs via Google Ads, small to medium businesses utilizing automated bidding tools to target local or niche audiences with precise keyword intent. Case 3, enterprise and agency advertisers, high-budget corporate advertisers and media agencies requiring dedicated account managers, programmatic ad buying, display and video 360, and advanced market attribution models. Case 4, digital publishers and creators, AdSense and YouTube partners, web owners and video creators who supply the content real estate where Google displays ads, receiving a revenue share in return. Case 5, mobile device manufacturers, Android OEMs, companies like Samsung or Xiaomi that need a robust, globally recognized mobile operating system bundled with Google Mobile Services, GMS, to sell hardware. Case 6, corporate workspace users, enterprise SaaS businesses of all sizes purchasing Google Workspace licenses for secure, cloud-based collaboration, custom email domains, and identity management. Case 7. Cloud engineers and devs, Google Cloud Platform (GCP) technical teams requiring scalable virtual infrastructure, data warehousing, BigQuery, and machine learning pipelines. Case 8. AI builders and enterprise innovators, Gemini and Vertex AI users, developers and businesses leveraging Google's advanced foundation models via APIs to build proprietary generative AI systems. For open-ended questions for strategic analysis. 1. How must Google alter its consumer segment strategy as user search behavior shifts away from traditional keywords and toward conversational AI assistants? 2. To what extent can Google expand its high-margin enterprise cloud segment without alienating legacy consumer-focused product cultures? 3. As global privacy regulations tighten, how can Google safely segment users for advertisers without breaking consumer trust or violating antitrust laws? 4. What strategy should Google deploy to capture the AI-native developer segment before specialized, agile AI infrastructure rivals corner the market? For explanations of core mechanics. The multi-sided network effect, Google's segments cannot exist in isolation. The consumer segment provides the data and scale that makes the advertiser segment viable. If consumer usage drops, advertiser value collapses instantly. Cross-subsidization. Google uses a freemium at-scale approach. The massive revenue generated by a tiny percentage of the user base, advertisers, completely subsidizes the operational costs of providing elite tools to the mass consumer segment for free. Enterprise versus consumer divergence. While consumer segments prize simplicity and speed, Google's enterprise segments, Workspace and GCP, demand rigorous compliance, uptime service level agreements, SLAs, hybrid cloud compatibility, and predictable pricing. B2B2C ecosystem locking. By treating hardware manufacturers, OEMs, as a core customer segment for Android, Google indirectly secures billions of end consumers who default to using Google Search and Chrome out of the box. For implementation plans for segment optimization. Plan 1. Privacy-first advertisement cohorts, transitioning from individual tracking to interest-based cohort segmentation using the Privacy Sandbox framework to satisfy regulatory bodies while retaining advertiser utility. Plan 2. Industry-specific GCP verticals, creating tailored cloud frameworks for highly regulated industries, e.g., healthcare, banking, to win market share from entrenched cloud competitors. Plan 3. Tiered generative AI access, segmenting AI developers into distinct operational tiers, hobbyist, startup, scale-up, global enterprise, with dynamically scaling API compute costs and dedicated support structures. Plan 4. Localized hyper-SMB onboarding, deploying automated micro-campaign builders within Google Maps to convert offline brick-and-mortar stores into active, paying digital advertisers. For implementation processes. Consumer lifecycle, search user then profile enrichment then intent capture then ad impression delivery. Advertiser lifecycle, account creation then budget allocation then keyword selection then real-time auction participation. Cloud client lifecycle, sandbox trial then infrastructure architecture then data migration then enterprise scale optimization. Developer lifecycle, API key generation then prototype testing then token usage scaling then dedicated production environment. For actionable recommendations, refine AI intent matching, upgrade ad matching algorithms to parse deep contextual intent from conversational AI queries rather than relying purely on static keywords. Bundle SaaS offerings. Introduce hybrid pricing structures that bundle Google Workspace seats directly with GCP credits and Gemini Enterprise licenses to increase corporate user retention. Decentralize creator incentives. Revamp the YouTube and AdSense payout structures to better reward long-tail, high-engagement niche creators, protecting the supply side of the content ecosystem. Incentivize OEM AI partnerships. Provide financial or structural preferences to Android OEMs who deeply integrate Google's on-device AI models into their flagship smartphones. For immediate to-do items. 1. Audit current user search paths to identify areas where AI summaries are reducing organic ad click-through rates. 2. Update all enterprise cloud compliance documentation to align with international AI safety and data governance acts. 3. Launch a specialized training and certification initiative targeting independent developers building applications via Vertex AI. 4. Redesign the onboarding interface for small business advertisers to reduce the time to first campaign setup down to under 5 minutes. For practical techniques. Lookalike modeling, using machine learning to analyze the traits of an advertiser's best customers and automatically identify identical behavioral segments across Google's network. Predictive churn analytics, applying statistical models to GCP and workspace usage patterns to flag enterprise accounts showing signs of dropping usage before they cancel. Contextual sentiment analysis, scanning web pages and video transcripts in real time to ensure advertisers' brand messages are never placed alongside harmful or misaligned content. RFM segmentation, grouping cloud and advertising accounts by recency, frequency, and monetary value to optimize where dedicated human account management resources are allocated. For practical steps for execution. 1. Isolate a subset of anonymous user search data to build initial test groups for cookieless ad tracking. 2. Conduct direct feedback interviews with 50 global ad agencies to pinpoint current weaknesses in programmatic ad interfaces. 3. Establish a dedicated technical support fast-track lane specifically for high-growth AI startups using Google's infrastructure. 4. Deploy localized digital marketing toolkits through Google Business Profile to automatically educate small businesses on running geographic targeted promotions. Make sure to check the links in the description below to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss an analysis. While you are there, you can download the free study materials or handouts, access our free advanced chapter online tutorials, and share this video with friends who might need it. The information presented in this channel is compiled with the assistance of AI, public sources, and independent analysis. While every effort is made to ensure accuracy, information may contain omissions, inaccuracies, or interpretations. Content is provided solely for educational, case study, commentary, and entertainment purposes and should not be considered financial, investment, legal, or professional advice.